About 200 depth by 560. About 24 inches a minute. 2,600 RPM.
Oh wow, crank it up, baby. We're really milling this billet aluminum block right now to make a headstock for a new fixture. All right, TAF Industries. Machining a steel billet. We're gonna make a cylinder head out of this.
Right, the Haas VF3YT cutting out a vessel timing area on a dart block. It's about a $3,000 block, and we're going to make it a $20,000 block.
All right, here we go. This is a vertical mill. We're going to cut out the factory cylinders within 0.0001 tolerances so that we can reinstall. Oh, here we go. It's perfect. We'll get it on here. All right. Give us a narration here, Zach.
Oh, we're about to probe this block.
We're going to probe the block. And what the probe is doing is determining the orientation to where we are going to set our planes of milling. We're going to get everything within 0.00001. And that's amazing. Because this 170,000 pound monster machine is settled finally. All right, we'll come back to this. All right. We're fixing to probe. I guess we're fixing to probe, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what we're doing. Set the probe in probe mode. What we're going to do is we're going to check the exact orientation of the block to the machine so that our tolerances are within 0.0000001. Oh, okay, we're setting the fixture with the laser photograph eye on the Haas 3YTE, and then we're gonna, oh yeah, wow, look at that shit go. All right, pro tip, it doesn't matter where you start, it's just a matter of centering and then adding the additional amount of material that you want to cut out on the Haas 3YT.